The 369 ritual is a law of attraction technique that helps you to attract what you want into your reality. This can be in the form of money, love, a new job, happiness, and so on. When applying the method for yourself, simply write down your desire 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night. Repeat these steps for 33 to 45 days in a row and then let it go. Although there are other variations of this method, it's believed this is the most effective way as it creates more focus on one specific goal or desire at a time. When you're trying to manifest too many desires at one given time, this confuses the universe because it doesn't know what to give you first. So when you're just starting out, choose one desire and from there and eventually add more when you're seeing positive results. Manifest anything in 5 simple steps. Download your free cheat sheet to unlock your greatest manifestation abilities. Start living my dream life now. Why 3, 6, and 9? The ritual was inspired by Nikola Tesla, a famous physicist and inventor from the 1800s. Although his inventions such as the radio, AC power, and remote control were heard loud and clear, his theories surrounding 3, 6, and 9 were not at all. He said that when you study circles, it adds up to 360 degrees, and no matter how many times you divide that circle, it will always leave you with the numbers 3, 6, and 9. He also found the same pattern of numbers throughout later discoveries, which made him believe they held a significant power. If you knew the magnificence of 3, 6, and 9, you would have a key to the universe. So by using the power of Tesla's numbers alongside the law of attraction, this helps to create a powerful manifestation ritual. How to do it properly? Although I explained briefly how it works above, let's dive a little deeper to ensure that you get it right so it actually works for you. 1. Pick your desire. Life is a choice. This is the most important part, and many people get this wrong simply because they change their minds too often. It's easy to want to manifest as many desires at a time, but try to keep with one specific desire for now, so you can clearly tell the universe what you want to manifest. Take a moment to think about it. What do you truly want in your life right now? Perhaps it's something that keeps you up at night thinking about, or maybe it's just something you feel you need to have. Pick one desire and move on to the next step. 2. Choosing your affirmation. When writing down your desire, you want to do it as an affirmation. An affirmation is a simple yet powerful mantra that clearly states what you want from the universe. The most common affirmations are used in a "I am" statement, but the true intention of an affirmation is to speak as if you have it already. If you need to learn more about powerful affirmations, take a look at my tips here. Remember that your mantra should come from the heart, but if you're stuck and need some examples, here are a few down below. I allow myself to be loved by someone special. I am financially free and abundant. I am constantly marveling at the world's many wonders. I am a millionaire, my wallet is always packed with cash. I suggest that you try to make your affirmations personal and as specific to your desires. For example, if you wanted to manifest money, exactly how much do you want? If you want your ex back, what is his or her name? The universal loves you to be specific when manifesting. 3. Write it down. Okay, now it's time to get real with the universe and write it down. Writing your affirmations down. You can write out your affirmations in a manifestation journal, but if you don't have one, then a piece of paper works too. Like I said before, you need to write your desire down 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and then 9 times in the evening. You can write down your desires however you please, but it's crucial to be in the right frame of mind when doing so. Think about it like this: the law of attraction states that like attracts like. What you think and feel attracts into your reality. So it's super important to be in a mind frame without any negativity and be free of unwanted thoughts. Now all you need to do is repeat this process, with the same affirmation, for 33 to 45 days in a row. 4. Let it go. To let go is to be able to go about your daily life without having to worry about a single thing because you trust in the universe. Burning rituals. It's not forgetting what you want, but instead having faith that your desires will manifest in divine timing. There are many ways to let go, here are just a few. Create a manifestation box and put your written affirmations in it. Burn your affirmations in a bowl, this is called a burning ritual. Meditate. Be present. Letting go can be frustrating. But it's important to let go and allow the universe to work its magic. Being obsessed and stressing about the when can actually cause resistance and slow down the manifestation process. If you want to learn more about letting go, please read my post here. So now what? So you've followed all the steps above, now what? Depending on how long you've been doing the 369 method, you may notice some significant signs or changes in your life. Here's what you can expect. Seeing numbers in synchronicity, e.g. 555 or 999, receiving random ideas out of nowhere. Predicting small events. Feeling more energetic and excited about life. Looking more radiant. Manifesting your desires into fruition. Of course, the ultimate goal is to manifest your desire into fruition, but there'll likely be smaller signs that occur before it happens. Listen to these signs. These are signals that help you on your path towards alignment. To wrap this up, the 369 technique is the perfect tool for attracting your desires. Harnessing the power of sacred numbers whilst consciously emitting the vibration of what you want by writing it down allows for amazing results. Here are some key takeaways from my post. Be clear on what you want to manifest. Always believe that what you want is yours already. Be consistent and in a good headspace when writing your desires down. Let from the outcome and faith the universe will deliver. Always allow for signs in your life, they are important.